man, I thought this was gonna play. That's okay. Hey, what's up, y'all? It's the God. We working. We pouring. We processing.
You gonna take on the side of the smaller orders, right?
Not necessarily. Yeah, that's too much space between there. They might, yeah. Hey, y'all, say hi.
Hi.
We processing. It's shipping day. So, it's been a tough week, y'all. I mean, I'm saying, what's up, Miss Price? What's up, Miss Canada? Oh, I got nine viewers on here. We at the Holy Grove Manufacturing Distribution Center. And today is shipping day. I just wanted to thank all of you Holy Rollers for ordering y'all products. We are introducing some new products for this next pre-sale. You're going to like them because they're for your skin. I got my lotion that I've been working on. So accounts will be updated with tracking numbers today, and well, hey, Monty, thank you. Oh, my big cousin on here. Hey, Clarissa. Hi, Carmen. Hi, Cassie. Thank y'all for being proud of me. Hey, I want to make y'all proud. That's what I want to do. And so I really needed some help today because look at all of this stuff that I had to clean out the back storage room and just really get some stuff going. I didn't really have no help for a long time, and I've been running this business for a long time by myself. But praise God, I'm just grateful to have my family with me. I'm grateful to have y'all support and y'all love, and so that's what keep me going. I know that a lot of y'all are out of state, and if you was here, you would be here, and so I'm grateful for that. So I just wanted to show y'all that this is really the factory. We really in the factory set, and I just had to walk down to the loading dock. This is the loading dock right here. But we what's up, Chris? Peace and love. Hey, Chanel. Get your auntie out the house. Auntie gotta want to get out the house. But ask her, and if she say, yeah, I'll go get her. Listen, we need some hands in here because we get more and more orders with more products and with more products that I'm offering. It requires more work. So I just wanted to thank y'all. Make a quick video to confirm that this is shipping day. Hi, Mona. Yeah, Cassie, come on down. Listen, if y'all ain't got nothing to do on Saturdays, this is how we celebrate the Sabbath. This is how we worship. I come here and I praise God while I'm at work. Call her now. Okay, y'all. Peace and love. Gotta go.